Hi boys and girls, this is the level 2 Bridget Riley inspired opera. So what you do is you basically follow along with the same steps that we did for the level 1, but you are going to do more than one shape, any shape of your choice, and you are going to do the lines behind it. You could do black and white, or you can now upgrade to your complementary colors. You could have done complementary colors on the work before, but if you didn't do that, or if you're going straight to level 2, then you might want to play around with the colors. So remember, I'll go over them again. Here's our color wheel. Our complementary colors are the ones that are opposite each other. So purple and yellow, blue and orange, and red and green. Those are the opposites. So I am going to use these complementary colors right now. And it's the same technique that we used before. So I'm going to lay out behind the shapes. That's the important part. You want to go behind the shapes first. And it gets tricky when you get into here. So you really have to be paying attention. But laying out those colors first is very, very helpful. So just kind of like pretend that the shapes are just not even there. Now I'm going to go with my yellow, laying out those colors, because remember when we did the black and white, you didn't have to do anything in those white spaces. But if you are doing the yellow, and right in here, like this would be a spot that you have to remember to go back in. That's behind, and that's in the yellow. Keep on going. Okay. And then you would start to color all of those in very carefully. Now you should be using a pencil. So these lines that you see here, yours will be a lot lighter than mine. I used an extra fine Sharpie so that you would be able to see on the video. But when you use your pencil, those lines should be a little bit lighter. And that'll help the optical illusion a little bit better. Same thing with your shapes. That big, bold Sharpie line shouldn't be as bold on yours because you'll be using pencil. But I wanted to make sure that you would be able to see. And really a lot of the work is just going to be making sure that you're carefully coloring. So now that you can see two of these lines that are bold colored in, you can go back when you're done with the background. So pretend I'm done with the background. When you're done with the background, that's when you can go into the inside of the shapes. And you would be doing the opposite. So yellow, purple, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. So color those in. And this would be our level 2. Just bring it up a little bit more challenging with more shapes to color. It's our level 2 Bridget Riley. I hope you guys are enjoying doing your op art and learning about Bridget Riley. Op art's pretty cool. All right, so you would keep on working using those black and whites, complementary colors, multiple shapes, your lines, and carefully coloring in using your turtle shell, not your cheetah feet. And remember, enjoy and stay creative.